Welcome back to the bloody front yard makeover show you with Jason Hydroponics Hodges, front yard aficionado, and today we'll be exploring another front yard. This here's Jose, and we just got him with the oldest trick in the book, a classic, a dime in the dirt. What the fuck am I saying? Excuse me. Great stuff, rookie DIYers. Now get your circular saw from Davo's Hire and get cutting. Let's just get that trip hazard out of here so Grandma doesn't go falling over anytime soon. Get the shit out of here! Once the debris is moved, get the rugby boys down to haul some fucking bricks. Slap them in the cut. And hammer it down. That's right. That's right, baby. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, get in there. Now to keep costs low, I've emptied out my septic tank and I've used it as concrete. And I got fucking this cunt washing it off. Hey, Jason, hey, you fucking cunt. Fuck you! Now, as a monument to my dead horse, George Hercules, I'm laying some bricks around his... Oh god. His manure. Oh god! Ooh! Yeah, that's what I'm fucking talking about. Now, let's crack into the steps. Now let me tell you, I hate the steps as much as I hate my stepchildren. If only my fucking wife Tracy didn't leave me, man. Shit! Please come back, Tracy. Now, for a fresh coat of paint, now I've selected teal blue, which is coincidentally my level 76 Drow Elf's skin colour on RuneScape. Please add me at TittyFondler72. Now, time for a bit of decoration. Wouldn't you agree? So I've been down at the local plants depot and got the Euphorbia Diamond Frost plants. And this one is quite renowned in the Nepalese area of Dog Town. And yeah, I've also been sure to get the Lamandra Shara. And yeah, we'll just slap that in the hole so you put the fuck down there. This is the result of my hard work. Now, I've been sure to slap some in some pot plants because I think it's a really nice decoration for your walkway. So, let's get a wide shot of that. Welcome to bloody paradise. Yeah. So this is the result of a day's labour, and let me tell you, it's well worth it. I mean, I feel accomplished in my life, especially with the accomplishment of my two children as well. They are quite successful in their academics and not very sporty, but that's besides the argument. So, yep, you guys can get a good idea of what's going on. And the front yard budget was the fence at 175 bones, saw hire at 100, and but yeah, I didn't have enough time to have a look at that, but this is the result. So yeah, let's tune in next time for the next garden reno.